Welcome back to TSS Automotive, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in Indian automotive history, the Hindustan Ambassador. But this isn't just a walk down memory lane. We're talking about the rebirth of a legend, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador. Yes, the car that once defined Indian roads is making a bold comeback, and it's got everyone talking. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about the 2025 Ambassador, its design, engine, features, legacy, and what it means for the Indian auto industry moving forward. The Ambassador has always held a special place in the hearts of Indian car lovers. It was once the vehicle of choice for politicians, bureaucrats, and families alike. Known for its roomy interior, commanding presence, and rugged reliability, the Ambassador was more than just a car. It was a symbol of status and heritage. Production may have ceased back in 2014, but its cult status never faded. Now, over a decade later, it's back with a modern twist, and the buzz around it is absolutely electric. The 2025 version of the Hindustan Ambassador is not just a cosmetic remake. It's a complete transformation. Designed in collaboration with global design firms and powered by advanced engineering, the new model keeps the soul of the original while embracing the demands of the modern era. The car has been reimagined with sleek lines, LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic body, but the unmistakable Ambassador silhouette remains intact. You'll still recognize that signature curve and strong stance, but it's been refreshed with a contemporary edge that stands out in today's competitive market. Under the hood, the 2025 Ambassador is expected to feature multiple powertrain options. While an internal combustion engine variant will be offered to satisfy traditional users, the real excitement is around the all-electric version. With India pushing toward a cleaner and greener automotive future, the electric Ambassador is a bold and necessary step. Industry insiders suggest a range of around 300 to 350 kilometers on a single charge, fast charging capabilities, and a battery developed in partnership with leading EV-tech companies. The electric motor will deliver smooth acceleration and a silent driving experience, something previous Ambassador owners could never have imagined. Inside, the cabin has received a complete overhaul. This is not the Ambassador you remember from the old days. The 2025 model features a minimalist yet luxurious interior with high-quality materials, a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen, and connected car technology. Ambient lighting, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system will all be part of the package. Comfort and space. The two classic Ambassador strengths have not only been retained but enhanced. Rear seat comfort, in particular, has been prioritized, maintaining the car's legacy as a favorite for long drives and chauffeur-driven travel. When it comes to safety, the new Ambassador is being built with a modern mindset. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control are all expected to be included. There's also talk of an ADAS package in the higher variants, which would make it one of the most technologically advanced cars in its segment. This level of safety and tech integration shows how seriously Hindustan Motors is taking this relaunch. They're not just appealing to nostalgia, they're building a car that can genuinely compete in 2025. Now, let's talk about design influence. The new Ambassador might remind you of some European luxury sedans, and that's no accident. Designers have taken inspiration from global trends while staying rooted in Indian aesthetics. The result is a car that feels premium but familiar. It doesn't try to be flashy, it's elegant and understated, much like the original. The dual-tone color options, retro modern alloy wheels, and subtle chrome elements all add to the charm. This is a car that's proud of its heritage but doesn't rely solely on it. Pricing is expected to be competitive. Hindustan Motors knows that while the Ambassador name carries weight, the market is price sensitive. The ICE version could start around a superscript 112 to a superscript 114 locks, while the electric variant might come in between a superscript 118 to a superscript 122 locks, depending on the battery size and features. These are early estimates, but if the company manages to hit that sweet spot, it could find success not just in urban markets but also semi-urban and rural areas where the Ambassador name still commands respect. Production of the 2025 Ambassador is rumored to be taking place at the retooled Uttarpara facility in West Bengal, once the heartbeat of Hindustan Motors. Bringing production back to its roots adds another layer of emotional appeal. The company is also expected to create thousands of new jobs through this relaunch, contributing positively to the local economy. Moreover, there's speculation that exports to select international markets could be on the table, especially in countries with a sizable Indian diaspora. So what does the return of the Ambassador mean for the Indian car market? It's more than just a new model, it's a statement. It signals the return of a homegrown icon at a time when the market is flooded with global brands. If done right, the 2025 Ambassador could mark a turning point where nostalgia and innovation merge to create something truly special. It could revive faith in Indian car manufacturing and inspire a wave of similar revivals from other classic brands. To wrap it up, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated car launches in recent times. It's not just a car, it's history reinvented. Whether you're a longtime fan or someone discovering the Ambassador for the first time, this car promises to offer a blend of tradition, technology, and timeless appeal. We'll be keeping a close eye on every update and bringing you the latest news as it unfolds. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on all things automotive, make sure to subscribe to TSS Automotive, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video, and drop your thoughts in the comments. So what do you think about the return of the Ambassador? Would you consider buying one? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.